Okay, so this week we are talking about sexual reproduction of plants, and the sexual reproduction of plants involves four processes, no? Involves four processes. And those processes are number 1, pollination, number 2, is after pollination, number 2 is what's number 2? Fertilization. Number 3, seed dispersal. Number 4,
Sabi
germination.
na,
Germination. I think I think we are done with the pollination. Pollination means when the pollen grain lands on the stigma. Fertilization, when the pollen grains enters the ovule. And then we will talk about seed dispersal. No? So I think we end up here last time. We are not yet done with this one. So seed dispersal, seed dispersal is like, for example, look at here. You answered me. You answered me before, no? That A is healthier, and B is not healthy, or not healthy because they are competing with the water, light, and nutrients in one place. So if there is only one plant in one pot or in one area, the plant will get all the nutrients, the water, and the light. So here, to prevent that one, to prevent this, plants disperse their seeds with the help of the wind. With the help of the wind, animals, water, or by explosive action. So here, disperse by the wind. What do you mean by dispersal, by the way? Dispersal, I don't have pasatay. Dispersal by the wind. The seeds of plants. Okay, are you looking at in my screen? Okay, good. Uh I will move you up. Oh,
Study sa press ESC.
no, I did not. Escape? No, I did not. Okay, here. So, uh the seeds of plants such as angsana. Angsana. This one is a name of a plant. Angsana. Where is my pen? Right here. Angsana and shorea. Shorea are dispersed by the wind. Because of the wind, what is pasatay of wind? Lom, no? So because of the wind, the 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 seeds the seeds of the plants will fly away. They have wing-like structures. Okay? The angsana, this one here, and shorea has a wings like structure, and are very light. What do you mean by very light? What do you mean by very light? What do you mean by very light? What do you mean by
Bao,
very light?
baumak ma.
Okay, bauma.
Ma.
No, very, very light. That's why it can fly. It can fly with the wind. So the lalang seeds, here, lalang seeds, have fine hairs to float in the air. So this one, fine hair, it's like a hair to float in the air. This allow the wind to carry them far from the parent plant. So because of the wind, the plants, the seeds of angsana and shorea are dispersed by the wind. If you are following me, if you are opening your book, no? If you are opening your book, we are in page 32. So these are angsana, shorea, and lalang. This one is, what is this? The first one, who can tell me what is this?
first picture is Shori.
Huh?
And
Shoreya, no?
yeah,
Shoreya. And this one is
is and Sana.
Angsana. Okay?
Sana.
Angsana. So Angsana and Shoreya has a wing like, it's like a wings. Now this one here, the Angsana looks like a stingray, right? Looks like stingray. But this one here, this one is like a wings. A wings. That's why Angsana and Shoreya can fly away, can fly far from the parents, from the mother plant. Okay? And this one here also, this one is what we call lalang. Lalang. No? So this one is like a hair. A hair. So it's like a hair. So if that one, if there is a wind, it will blow away. So the seeds will fly away going to another place. Yes, Lucas?
And teacher and Shoria, when we throw them up and they
Yes.
will down.
Teacher,
Yes, of course,
I
because of the
I
yes. So pass on.
I played it before.
I play that.
Okay. So what is this in Thai?
Don't know. I cannot remember. But that time that I play, I know.
You
But
were
now
still
I
a
don't know.
kid, no? I think this one here, the Shoreya, Angsana, and Lalang here in Thailand, no? There is here, I mean, this plant is, I mean, there is a Shoreya here in Thailand and Angsana. The same in the Philippines because we are Asia, no? In Asia. So we have the same, no? We are in tropical country. So Angsana and Shoreya, they have wing like, no? They have wings like that. Is this one here? This is the wings, and this one and this one. That is the wings of that kind of plant. And lalang has a what? A hair like, no? A hair like. So it is very easy to fly. It is easy to fly away, right? So because of the wind, they disperse. What is disperse in Thai? I will find it here in my Google translator, and then I will let you listen. No, I will let you listen. English Thai dispersal. Krakai mang. Krajai. Oh, that is what we call dispersal. We have dispersal of seeds so that it will grow somewhere, right? It will grow somewhere. It will grow in different place. Am I right? So we have 3 examples here. We have Shoreya, Angsana, and Lalang. Okay. So, dispersal by animals. What's this? Who can guess with this one?
Yes, what teacher?
Dispersal of animals. What do you mean by that? What is dispersal?
Like a
Krajai. No, krajai. So, what is dispersal by the animals? It means the animals will carry the seeds. It's like that, no? Am I right? Fruits. What is fruit? Fruit. Pulamay. Fruits such as mango, rambutan, watermelon, papaya, and durian have sweet and juicy flesh which attract animals. Meaning, because of the sweetness, one, and juicy flesh, it's like watery. There is like a water inside, no? Which attracts animals. Because of that, the animals likes to eat these fruits. When animals eat these fruits, they help to disperse the seeds either by throwing away the seeds or passing out the seeds in their droppings. For example, while the animals are eating the papaya, so the papaya, then the animals is walking or flying. So the seeds will throw somewhere. Am I right? It will drop somewhere, and then after that it will grow. So thank you for the animals. So some of the animals likes durian, like dogs. They love durian, huh? Dogs likes durian. Likes rambutan, especially the birds. They like rambutan. Big birds. Big birds. What is rambutan? Ngo. Ngo, mango. Siya may? Look
Yes.
at page
Yes.
33. Ngo, rambutan. No? Rambutan. So that rambutan there, so the big bird will carry the rambutan, and then what? And then the
Durian.
seeds the seeds will the seeds will drop or throw somewhere, and then the seeds will grow. That is what we call dispersal of animals. There's dispersal by animals. Next, dispersal by water. What is dispersal again? Grade 4. Kradzai. Samay? Kradzai. So dispersal by water. So what's that?
By water.
Dispersal by water, kradzai, kradzai by water. Because of the water, the seeds will go out anywhere. Like in the river, no? For example, this is the river here. Look at my drawing, my beautiful drawing. This is the river over here. No? That one. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Beside this river, there is a tree, a coconut tree. A coconut nut, it's a giant nut. If you eat too much, you will become very fat. Like that, no? So for example, dispersed by the water. So the coconuts here will fall down to the water, and the water will carry the coconut somewhere else. Do you understand? So that is what we call dispersal by, who is singing?
Water.
Dispersal by water. Okay? So Pacharapon is here. I am checking the attendance. Pacharapon, you have many work. Pacharapon, check. Okay na? I am checking. Okay. The fruit, who is singing? Narrative, no? Sumay?
Hanapong, I see.
Tanatpong. Tanatpong, are you listening, Tanatpong?
Yes.
Then stop singing. Pichaya, stop playing the background. 1. Okay. Okay. The fruit of the pong tree. This one, huh? This one is the pong tree. Pong. Okay. This is pong. And this one is what we call nipa. Am I right? Or the other side, the other around, the way around. Wait na, I will search na. I don't know this seeds. Pong. Okay. Wrong. We are wrong. I am wrong. So this one is pong, and that other one is nipa. Okay, that's correct. Okay, this one is pong here. Pong, and this one is nipa. Okay? Now, the pong tree and nipa are also dispersed by water. Do you know of other plants? I mean, do you know of other plants which disperse their fruits by water? So these are, for example, now usually these are the pongpong and nipa. The trees are beside the river or the sea. So after that, they will fall down like the coconut tree here. They will fall down going to the water, and the water will carry that one somewhere else, like that. No, that is what we call dispersal by dispersal by water. Now, dispersal by explosive action. What is that? What is explosive action? Labot. No, bush.
Nuclear.
May shiny. May shiny, no? It will boom.
It's a nuclear.
May shiny. So it's like that. Pakapon is smiling. The explosive meaning it will labot. Like that.
Roller bomb.
It's like a bomb, no? So some of the what's this? Some of the trees, the fruits will explode. So I will write here. I will write over here na. If you close the camera, you turned off the camera, then I will write here. You turned off the camera. Off camera. Okay. So when the fruits of the rubber tree dry up, page 35. Look at page 35. No, page 35. Rubber tree. What's rubber tree? Rubber tree. Okay, a rubber tree dry up, will become dry. They split open explosively. Boom. This helps to release and scatter the seeds at high speeds in different direction. This one. Now this one is a rubber tree. When this one will become dry. Now here, this one. Can you see it? Can you see my screen? Huh? Can you see my screen, Pichaya? Pichaya, can you see my screen? Okay, now, this one here, this one, where is my pen? Oy. Okay, here. Oy. This one. When this one will become dry, then what will happen? It will open, no? It will explode. Push, like that. Labot. And then, the seeds will fly away. Will fly away. Will fly away, like that. And then, it will what? It will grow somewhere else. That is what we call dispersal by explosion or explosive. No, explosive action. But not really strong, really big explosion, but these fruits will explode. No? Next, after the dispersal of seeds, they can germinate. What is germinate in Thai?
No.
Okay, that one. So if after the dispersal, no, they will grow, right? The seeds will grow. Am I right? After the seeds are dispersed or move away, they can germinate. Okay, they can germinate. Germinate means, what is germinate in Thai? Huh? Okay. It means, germinate means start to develop into young plants. Start to develop into young plants. If the conditions are right. For example, right means correct. So for example, if there is explosive like the rubber tree, bang, the seeds are away. But the seeds in that soil is not healthy. Sit down if you are listening. Sit down. Are you listening, Prumin? Sit down. Prumin, sit. Nanglong. Do not, do not, do not, do not lie down. You are studying. Am I right, Prumin? Rian Yu ไม่ต้องนอนใช่ไหมโอเคเข้าใจใช่ไหม now again if the conditions are right meaning the seeds will move away and then the soil should be good. There is light, there is water, there is like that, no? Everything is there so that the seeds will grow. As easy as that. So for germination occur here, see, to germinate in order the seeds will grow, there must be, number one, there must be water. Number two, there must be oxygen and the right temperature. Not too hot, not too cold. Am I right? So again, for example, the first one, what's the first one? Dispersal by the wind. So if this Shorea and Angsana will land on the soil, the good soil that has water, oxygen, and light, and the temperature is normal, is okay. Meaning the seeds will grow, start to germinate. No? The same. Dispersed by the animals. If the animals will drop the seeds, that is good soil, there is water, there is oxygen, and good temperature. No? Unapumdi. Meaning, the seeds will grow. The seeds will germinate. The same with dispersal of water. The same with dispersal by explosive actions. So here, okay, this one is what we call germinate. Okay, this is in page 37. Germination. So the first one here, no? The first one, we have number one here. This one. Okay. Root grows out first. This one, the two of this. If you are if you are opening the book, page 37, no? Page 37, root grows out first. It grows downwards in the soil. It means this one here, the roots will come out going to the soil, not going up, going down. It's going down. I got the timber. It's better move, better dance. Okay, now again, the roots will come out first and then it will grows downward in the soil. Number two here. Number two, shoot grows upward. This one, the color green, it will grow up, going there. No? If you are interested with the plants, you will be like what's this? You want to ask anything about the plants. Okay, number three. Where's number three here? So this one, no? This one, and 4 and 5. Okay, this one. So what's here? The seedling gets its food from the seed leaves. This one. No? This one. So because of the sun, the water and the oxygen, no? They can make their own food. They can make their own food. Who has a very, 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 very noisy. The air. Tanatpong. Okay. Again, in number 4, the seedling gets its food from the seed leaves. Okay, from here. So by what? By photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis in Thai? Sun ko seng, samay? What's that in Thai? Sun ko seng. Oh, that one. That is what we call photosynthesis. So we will talk that one next week. Okay, I will insert photosynthesis. So that one again, no, the cotyledon, the leaves will create, will cook, will make food for the plant. So until this one here, it will grow. The seedling is able to make its own food when the green leaves have developed. So again, this one is what we call germination. Okay, germination. So I hope you understand the lesson about classifying plants. Again, I will wrap it up. I will wrap it up before I will give work. No, I will go to our whiteboard here. No, here. I think here. I have here. Okay, so I have here. So reproduction of plants here. Reproduction of flowering plants. Number one, we have asexual. What is Tanatpong doing? Tanatpong, are you listening, Tanatpong? Doing this one? Listening while doing this one? Huh? Okay. Reproduction of flowering plants. Number one, we have asexual and sexual. What I will put one here, one. So they are different na. Asexual from underground stems, leaves, and suckers. I hope you can remember this one. Sexual reproduction involves number one, pollination, fertilization, seed dispersal, and germination. Understand? So everyone, I want to see this one in your album. You draw it in your notebook. Are you done this one? Are you done with this one or not? Not yet, no?
I'm done already. Lucas is finished.
Okay, I will check first. I am too busy now, very busy. Teacher Juvin is very busy. I check first. I will check. Did I give this one last time?
Yeah, I sent already too.
Did I give this one last time, right? Did I give this one? Okay, I think I give this one. I can remember. Yes. I have I have Tupon. Very good. Pichaya, Lucas, and Lucas. Oh my god. Again, for those who pass. For those who pass, Lucas, first one, Pichaya, and Tubpon. Everybody do this one in your notebook. This is page 36. Now, do it now. Page
Teacher, I
36.
finished already. Teacher, I finished
Pakapon,
now,
pakapon,
but
pakapon.
I didn't.
Okay. You
Yes,
just send
I
it pakapon.
didn't.
Okay, understand. You send it. Please put it in the album. Find my album there, Teacher Juvin Science. Page 36 now. Do it now. For those who are finished, just relax there. Now, again, we will not see each other again next week. So um what will happen? So If you are finished, please pass that one. Please pass in the album. I will put some Pakapon. I think Pakapon will put. Okay, you can see the album there na. Pakapon already passed. Pakapon already passed. Expect that next week I will give a data. I will give the file. You can see your work there. Who did not work? Uh, who did not work? And who has many work to do? You know what? To those students who pass the video, you know who are you? Pia yesterday sent me the video. Pia, no, Pia, narrative, Benjaraton, Benjaraton, Tanatpong, Tubpon, Rewadi. May siya Rewadi. No, not Rewadi. Pitsaya, Supason. Did you send Supason? No, not yet. Lucas, Pakapon. Only that one who sent the video.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Yes, you can. Only that. Where's the video, guys? Where is the video? Huh? Where is the video? Video of your work. You will see. You are very lucky because we are not at school. Okay, if you are finished, you pass na. I am waiting. I will end the video. Recording, I mean.